Imagine checking into a hotel after a long journey. You're tired and just want to relax. You open the door to your room and are greeted by a clean, fresh, and inviting space. The bed is perfectly made, the bathroom sparkles, and everything is in its place. That feeling of comfort and satisfaction, that's the magic a room attendant creates. Room attendants are the heart of the hospitality industry. They transform hotel rooms into havens of comfort. Their work goes beyond cleaning. It's about creating a welcoming experience. A clean room ensures guest satisfaction and positive reviews. Being a successful room attendant requires more than just knowing how to clean. It's a multifaceted role that demands a combination of essential skills. Attention to detail. Every corner matters. A keen eye for spotting dust bunnies, smudges, or misplaced items is crucial. Guests notice the small things, and those details make a big difference. Time management. Balancing multiple tasks efficiently is key. You need to prioritize cleaning tasks, manage your time wisely, and ensure rooms are ready for guests on time. Communication. Clear and respectful communication is essential. This includes interacting with guests, understanding their requests, and communicating effectively with colleagues and supervisors. Physical stamina. The job requires physical strength and stamina. You'll be on your feet for extended periods, lifting mattresses, pushing carts, and maneuvering cleaning equipment. By honing these skills, room attendants can excel in their roles and provide exceptional service to guests. Remember, it's the combination of hard work, attention to detail, and a positive attitude that truly sets apart a great room attendant. Transforming a room from used to sparkling clean is an art form. Here are some expert tips to master a spotless clean bed making. Strip the bed and smooth out the bottom sheet. Tuck in the top sheet tightly, creating hospital corners. Fluff and center the pillows, adding decorative ones. Bathroom cleaning, spray all surfaces and let it sit. Use a dedicated sponge for the toilet. Scrub the sink, tub, and toilet. Shine fixtures and restock amenities. Vacuum from the farthest corner, using overlapping strokes. Vacuum under furniture and in crevices. Restock all amenities like toiletries and coffee supplies. Ensure all items are neatly arranged for guests. By following these techniques, you can ensure every room is a haven of cleanliness and comfort. Section 4. Going the extra mile, handling guest requests with grace. Guest interaction is an integral part of being a room attendant. Handling requests with politeness and efficiency can greatly enhance the guest experience. Always greet guests with a smile and a friendly demeanor. Be attentive to their needs and strive to accommodate their requests whenever possible. Common requests include extra pillows, blankets, or towels. If a guest has a special request, such as a specific type of amenity or assistance with luggage, make every effort to fulfill it or find someone who can. Remember, a little kindness and a willingness to go above and beyond can leave a lasting positive impression on guests. Section 5. Staying organized, the key to efficiency and effectiveness. Staying organized is crucial for room attendants to manage their time effectively and ensure no detail is overlooked. Here are some tips to keep you organized. Cleaning cart setup. Arrange your cart with all the necessary supplies, such as cleaning solutions, fresh linens, and amenities. This streamlines your workflow and prevents unnecessary trips back and forth. Checklists. Using checklists can be immensely helpful. These lists ensure that all cleaning tasks are completed in each room and help you stay on track throughout the day. Lost and found. Have a designated area on your cart for storing lost and found items. Immediately report and log any found items to reunite them with their owners promptly. By incorporating these organizational practices into your daily routine, you can enhance your efficiency, minimize errors, and provide a more seamless service to guests. Section 6. Lost and found, reuniting guests with their valuables. As a room attendant, you play a crucial role in reuniting guests with items they may have left behind. It's essential to handle lost and found items with care and follow established procedures. When cleaning a room, thoroughly check for any belongings a guest might have left behind. This includes looking under beds, in drawers, and behind furniture. Common items left behind include chargers, jewelry, and clothing. If you find an item, immediately report it to your supervisor or the designated Lost and Found department. Record a detailed description of the item, the date and time it was found, and the room number. proper handling of lost and found items not only helps reunite guests with their valuables, but also reflects positively on the hotel's commitment to guest satisfaction. Remember, a little diligence and honesty can go a long way in making a guest stay memorable for all the right reasons. Section 7. Embracing the rewards. A fulfilling career in hospitality awaits. A career as a room attendant can be incredibly rewarding for those who appreciate the art of creating clean and welcoming spaces for others. The satisfaction of transforming a room and knowing you've played a part in making someone's stay more enjoyable is a feeling like no other. By mastering the essential skills, cleaning techniques, and organizational tips outlined in this guide, you can excel in this role and create a positive impact on the lives of travelers from all walks of life. Remember, the hospitality industry thrives on dedicated individuals who are passionate about providing exceptional service and creating memorable experiences for guests. If you're ready to embark on a fulfilling career where your hard work directly contributes to the comfort and happiness of others, then step into the world of hospitality and make your mark as a room attendant extraordinaire. Your journey begins now.